In our previous class, we discussed about series arrangement of resistors. Today, we are going to discuss about resistors in parallel combination. Let us consider the arrangement of three resistors joined in parallel with a combination of cells or battery. Here you can see three resistors having resistances R1, R2 and R3 respectively are arranged parallelly or in parallel combination. Connected with a battery, a plug key and an ammeter as shown in the figure. Also connect a voltmeter in parallel with the combination of resistors. Now plug the key and note the ammeter reading. Let the reading of ammeter be I, capital I. Also take the voltmeter reading. It gives the potential difference V, capital V, across the combination. The potential difference across each resistor is also V, capital V. This can be checked by connecting the voltmeter across each individual resistor. Now take out the plug from the key and remove the ammeter and voltmeter from the circuit. And insert the ammeter in series with resistor R1 as shown in the figure. Note the ammeter reading as I1. Similarly, measure the currents through R2 and R3. Let this be I2 and I3 respectively. It is observed that the total current I is equal to the sum of the separate currents through each branch of the combination. The total current I is equal to the sum of the separate currents through each branch of the combination. Voltage across each resistor is same and equal to the applied voltage capital V. The total current is equal to the sum of separate currents through each branch of the combination. That is, I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Let Rp be the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of resistors, and by applying Ohm's law to the parallel combination of resistors, we have I is equal to V by Rp. On applying Ohm's law to each resistor, we have V by R is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. That is, I1 is equal to V by R1, I2 is equal to V by R2 and I3 is equal to V by R3. On combining all this, we will get V by Rp is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Reciprocal of equivalent resistance of a group of resistances joined in parallel is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of individual resistances. Here we can write this equation. V by Rp is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3, or 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Equivalent resistance is less than the value of the smallest individual resistance in the combination. The reciprocal of equivalent resistance of a group of resistances joined in parallel is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of individual resistances. Now we discussed about resistors arranged in parallel combination and in series combination. Now what are the advantages of parallel combination over series combination? First of all, in series circuit, when one component fails, the circuit is broken and none of the component works. If you have used fairy lights to decorate buildings on festivals or on marriage celebrations, you might have seen the electrician spending lot of time in trouble locating and replacing the dead bulb. Each has to be tested to find which has fused or gone. On the other hand, a parallel circuit divides the current through the electrical gadgets. Here, second one, different appliances have different requirements of current. This cannot be satisfied in series combination as current remains same. That is, it is not practicable to connect an electric bulb and an electric heater in series because they need currents of widely different values to operate properly. Third one, the total resistance in a parallel circuit is decreased. The total resistance in a parallel circuit is decreased. That is also an advantage of parallel combination of resistors.